In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Hulu on your Sony Bravia TV. Let's dive in. Start by turning on your Sony Bravia TV and ensuring it's connected to the internet. Using your remote, navigate to the home screen and locate the Google Play Store for Android TVs or the Sony App Store for older models. Use the search bar to look for Hulu. Once you find the Hulu app, select it and click Install or Download to add it to your TV. After installation, launch the Hulu app from your TV's app menu. Sign in with your existing Hulu account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, follow the prompts to create one and subscribe to a Hulu plan. Once logged in, you're all set to start streaming your favorite shows and movies. For the best experience, keep your TV's software and the Hulu app updated. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy Hulu on your Sony Bravia TV.